Hi, welcome to this new Top 10 video. This is an amazing list of
coffee machines.
After watching, if you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more Top 10 videos. Also, turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Perfectem 14-cup automatic programmable coffee maker. It's beautifully designed. It has a housing of stainless steel and accented buttons. It has some great coffee technology that we use to make hotter coffee and lots of great features. First, you'll notice it says Caraf temp. And when you press this button, you have options of low, medium, and high Caraf temperature. And that's adjustable. And why would you want to use that? It's because if you're someone who puts a lot of milk in your coffee, you'd want to set this on high. But if you don't put any additives in your coffee, you take it black and you want it a little bit cooler so you can drink it right away, you can use medium or low. The other thing you'll notice, which I'm going to do right now, by using the water window as a guide, I put enough coffee in here to make 6 cups. So I'm just going to pour this in. And I can actually see the water window from the inside. So I'll stop pouring when I get up to 6. And then the other thing that's nice about this too is it has a programmable function which allows you to program the coffee maker to go off in any 24-hour period. It also has an auto off feature. In a hurry in the morning and you don't want to worry about turning your coffee maker off before you actually leave for work, you can set it to go off after 0 minutes to 4 hours. So then you don't have to concern yourself with it. The other thing I mentioned is it's actually has a brew pause feature. And the nice thing about that is that when the coffee starts brewing, after you have a cup or so in there and you don't have the patience to wait for the pot to be fully brewed, you can remove this and pour your coffee. It's just starting to get brewing now. So there you have it, the Cuisinart 14-cup Perfectem coffee maker. Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Coffee Center. It has so many conveniences. The thing I like about it is it combines a full-size coffee maker here with a single-serve unit here. So sometimes on the weekend, my husband and I like to hang around the house and read the paper. We make a full pot of coffee and we kind of just lazily enjoy it. But during the week when we're in a big hurry to get to work, we like to make our coffee and get right on the road. So that's why I love having a single serve unit here, because you can make 1 or 2 cups, there's no cleanup, and you're on your way and out of the house. So let's talk about the 12-cup coffee maker on this side. It has a lot of great features. This is your control knob. This is the one that you're going to use to program your coffee maker. So you can program it to go off at a certain time. So it's usually between 0 minutes and an hour. And that's really great because if you're in a hurry like I am most of the time, you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn your coffee maker off when you're leaving the house. This is your auto on function. It'll light up when it's programmed to go auto on. That's if you want to make a full pot of any amount of coffee. It will go on during any 24-hour period, so it automatically brews your coffee. So if you know that you get up every day at a certain time and you want your coffee at 8 o'clock, you can program it to do that for you. And then you can program it to go off. So as soon as this is done brewing, I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the coffee maker. Okay, so now that that's done, I just want to show you here ounces. You can see it has a max fill and a minimum fill. If you get out chlorine taste and odor, just slides on the back of the unit like so, and then this is your little lid that you'd use to cover it up. Your portion also has a water filter holder. You put your little water filter in there, you slide it in, and it also
The secret is a commercial-grade stainless steel tank that's always full of hot water. Pour cold water in, and hot coffee comes out less than 4 minutes later. Simple, fast, amazing.